in a way hard to predict, but on the other hand, there will definitely be an impact. I mean, if you think about it, the gene therapies so far, they are all targeted to a small patient population, so they haven't been given to a huge number of people, or they are targeted towards patients who are really very badly ill, like the CAR-T approaches, and for who other therapies don't work. So there's a totally different benefit to risk profile than for a vaccine. I mean, a vaccine, you give that to healthy people. So you really have to consider the safety very, very carefully. And now this experience using these tools to generate vaccines that are given to a huge population will certainly have learnings and impacts on how the safety profiles are seen. And I think also having learned so much about the CMC, this will probably help the regulators. I mean, so far, the regulators have been acting in a very new field, obviously, with the gene therapy, and not so many products, in spite of all the projects that are going on, have actually met the market. But now there's this experience with this huge number of people who've actually received these vaccines and these, gene therapy products in a way. So this will have also big learning effect and should also smooth some of the regulatory processes.